Hey everyone, we are Team Rapid Coders, and this is our Week 3 progress update for FinSage AI, our AI powered financial research agent. This week, we made 3 major upgrades to the platform. So let's get straight into it. Going into week 3, FinSage AI already had a solid foundation: livestock prices, risk analysis, fundamental data, a news feed, and an AI agent powered by Llama 3.3 via Grok. But we had a checklist of features to add, and this week we knocked all of them out. The first addition is a brand new technical indicators tab. Before this week, our price chart only showed MA20 and MA50 moving averages. That's fine, but any serious trader needs more than that. So we added three professional grade indicators. Number 1, RSI, the relative strength index. It tells you if a stock is overbought above 70 or oversold below 30. We highlight these zones in red and green so it's instantly readable. Number 2, MACD. This is a momentum indicator. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, that's a bullish crossover. When it crosses below, it's bearish. We display the histogram bars in green and orange to make the direction obvious. Number 3, Bollinger Bands. These are dynamic price channels that widen during volatile periods and narrow when the market is calm. We also added the Bollinger percent B indicator below it, which shows exactly where prices sits within the bands at any moment. And at the very top of the tab, we have a signal summary row. Three cards showing your current RSI reading, MACD crossover status, and Bollinger position. So you can read all three signals in under 5 seconds. The second major feature this week is stock comparison tool, and this one is really powerful. You enter up to 3 tickers: stock A, stock B, and stock C. Pick your time period and hit compare. The app fetches live data for all three and gives you a full side-by-side breakdown. The comparison table shows total return, annual volatility, Sharpe ratio, max dark down, and beta all in one view. The best value in each column is highlighted green and the worst is highlighted red. So you can see the winner at a glance. Below that, we can have a normalized price chart. All stock rebased to 100. So you can compare performance fairly regardless of all the actual share prices. We also added a radar chart that scores each stock across 4 dimensions: return, low, risk, Sharpe, and dark down, giving you a visual fingerprint of each stock's personality. And finally, a correlation heat map. This shows how closely the stocks move together. A correlation close to 1 means no diversification benefit. Close to 0 means Q picks are actually independent, which is what you want in a portfolio. The third upgrade is to our newsfeed sentiment analysis. Before this week, we were using a basic keyword counter, just checking how many positive or negative words appeared in each headline. It worked, but it wasn't very accurate. This week, we upgraded to Vader, Valence Aware Dictionary and Sentiment Reasoner. Vader is specifically designed for financial and social media text. It returns a compound score between -1 and +1, where above 0.05 is positive, below -0.05 is negative, and everything is between is neutral. Each article now shows a sentiment score bar, a little progress bar that fills green for positive and red for negative, so you can scan the news feed visually without reading every headline. And at the bottom of the news tab, we added an aggregate sentiment summary, showing how many articles were positive, neutral, and negative, along with a mini bar chart of the distribution. We also fixed 2 bugs that came up during testing. The first was invalid color format error in radar chart. A hex color string was being incorrectly converted to RGBA format, which Plotly rejected. We fixed that by using proper predefined RGBA strings. The second was a type error in comparison bar chart, where a leftover function calls was trying to subscript a float value. We cleaned that up by removing the reductant helper call and standardizing all three bar charts to use the same inline pattern. So that's week 3 for Team Rapid Coders and FinSage AI. Technical indicators, stock comparison, upgraded Vader sentiment, and 2 bug fixes. The app is getting more powerful every week, and we are excited for what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the week 4 update.